login and registration. Then you click on the registration. Okay. Now, what does it appear after you have clicked on the registration? It's a registration form. Do we all see the registration form? Yes. You need to fill it, the registration form as it is. You write your name, and then number 2, you put your email address. If you don't have the email address, you need to create one. Otherwise, the system won't allow you to go through in the absence of the email address. Right. You've got 2 ways. If you are doing this thing on your own, you can use a personal email address. But if you are allowing somebody to do this thing on your behalf, I normally advise you to create another email address, or alternatively to ask the person to. That's in fact, even if you don't ask, we normally do. If you are using an existing personal email address, the only difference that we normally do is to change the password. Meaning that I don't want to access your personal stuff. I'll be using an email address strictly to access M only. So you will be having 2 passwords. The one that you will be using to log into M stuff, and the one that you will be using to log into your personal stuff. Okay. Right. Or alternatively, you can create altogether a complete new one. Okay. Right. Do you get me there? Yes. So even if you tomorrow you register, but please try to do that. Give a created email address or completely shift the password. The email address is about the same. The only change is more password. One month or no, it will create a password because of people who are not hey, position at the banking, hey, hey, by and the only person looking filling the password is out. So you tell the person stamp a password and email address out. Now I'll create you a password. So you'll be on the safe side. Alright. Good. How say you so just create a new email address complete, and preferably Gmail is the best. Skill website Yahoo, skill website .c, webmail or other stuff. Right. The next we have to complete what? The mobile number. Again, it's very, very, very important again to have an existing number. That one is very serious, people, because we need to make sure that we get hold of you. The person who's going to make a deposit for you, or the people who are going to make a deposit for you, in some instances will need to confirm you telephonically. Are you the right person who am I supposed to make a deposit to? But if your phone is not working, then it starts to create doubts and the likes. Even though we've got another ways whereby you can chat with a member on the message box. But make sure that your number is always working. And if you decide to change your number, if your phone is stolen, you can't make a SIM swap or what, make sure that you get another number, inform your upline and the person who assisted you to register that look, my number is no longer working. Then he or she will assist you to log on the system. I will register the other number. Yes. Please, that one, make no mistake. The next step, you need to do what? To have a password of your email address, like I said earlier on. Yes. Then number 2, it will ask you to confirm the password. And then you are going to fill up this invite form. The invite form, the email address here, the person who is under how to under mariaselamolela@gmail.com. Here, the invite code, key email address here, you are downline. Is this all your list here? Your WhatsApp? All the people here, but is your WhatsApp working? Sorry? All your WhatsApp. Some of the people in the WhatsApp, they keep on switching their mobile data in and out, they are saving data in and on and off. So I'm struggling to get hold of you.
Because I'm already there.
But let it not be on and off. Here, the data only is on. Triple M. And I'm going to gig this thing that is about 20 megabytes. Here we are working with gigs. We start from 1 gig up. I don't know what Right. You are kind invite Kuta and again. And then your guidance email again. Your guidance email address is not a license again. But it's the record about automatically this is the very same form everybody is registered. Here on every one number. That's how it is. Again. Right? And it's just a few information, but it's not information anymore. Again, we are just going to capture it. The body amount help and everything will create as right. Email address house media assure I want mlmozepe@gmail.com again. Right? And then we go as we go by area guidance phone number no. Assure guidance phone number house media again 078 jacket. Right one again. Yes, you complete it as it is. Again, how did you learn about us that one? Leave it as it is. It's from friends. That's how it is. Again, we leave it as it is. Right. Then after that, we go to that picture. I can already ask one of the laptop on TAGY. Yes. And then incorrectly it will keep on changing until we get right. Okay. Right. And then you click on that box or accept that the terms and conditions that having read the warning, I'm well aware fully of the risk. Being in sound mind, I have decided to become a member of Triple M. Then how fails out to become or register. Ne? And then there's no to register from there. It opens in. Message welcome. After you welcome in, we go back to the system. Email address and recreate again. This is the way it's practical. Hey, you want to one and register or register. Yeah, handle register. Yeah, I get. Yeah, it's just a bit. Not to register.
Yeah,
yeah, no busy now. Okay, never. By the way, about the register, it's just a bit of register. The gas for capture. I was just trying to think if you look at Google or 3 of us, example. But it's simple. It's simple, high complicated. Has your register again. It's all welcome again. From you welcome, you have to set up back to the screen. What log in. Okay. What is the next step now? After log in. Or log in again. Then what's the next step? You go to what? You click. You go to dashboard again. You go to dashboard before you go to accounts. You go to dashboard, then you click accounts again, and then before you do accounts add again. How add a banking details again. Then you complete that thing of that form banking details and make sure that the banking details are how valid, how many any number. This time make sure and then from there, what capture the banking details are how hope it's up with capture. It's already happened, my sister. But you capture it now. Then you push it back to the normal screen again. Now where do you go now? You provide help now. How provider help it holds the amount to say that Horiama come or 1,000 yeah, on the TPR select jacket. What where I happen more fast, what's in 1,000 happening? Yeah, next. I get what where I happen more fast, you know, fast up until e felela ke yes yo fa gape e tlo fa tsa mo boxing ya that tick yes e tlo go bolela gore your request or your has been successfully what? Successfully, you must wait for the matching person for the order to be dispatched. Yes, automatically. It's once it's like in the green form. Okay, yeah, for now, you are waiting for the person of the same amount to start to match your order. Okay, right.